Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing really well in this last lap of preparation to CAT 2021. This is an official launch video of CAT 2021 VARC Booster 3.0, the third cycle of VARC Booster course that I run. And this cycle is going to be conducted in mock test format. So this is also the official launch video of TVM mock test series. In this video, first I'm going to talk of the details of VARC Booster 3.0. Then I'm going to talk about the mock test interface, the test and class schedule timings, the course schedule, when will it commence, when will it end tentatively, the target learner, this is very important, for whom is this course meant, so who should enroll, the pricing of the course, and how to enroll. Okay. So what is VARC Booster 3.0, the finale? Guys, it is going to be a unique blend of mock test series and live classes. Across board in this industry, institutes provide mock test series or live classes, or mock test series accompanied by recorded video analysis or video discussion. I believe video discussion or video analysis is not as effective because some of the doubts remain unresolved. The learners are not able to ask their doubts that freely. Therefore, I have tried to bring these two things together, the best things together, mock test series and live classes. But this is what I think serves you the best, serves the learner best in this last stage of preparation. Again, as you know, like all my courses, this course is also going to be practice oriented. That is obvious because it's going to be a course based on mock test series. It's going to be a live classroom course or live analysis course based on mock test series. So it's going to be a practice oriented, rigorous course. So here are some details about the course. Please listen to all these details carefully before you enroll so that you can make an informed choice. Please note that this is the last enrollment cycle for CAT 2021 VARC boosters. I am not going to open fresh enrollments for October. So this is my last offering for CAT 2021. One reason that I am not going to offer I'm not going to take any fresh enrollments in October is that I strongly believe that for me to be able to make any tangible, palpable change in your VARC skills, you must be with me for at least 2 months. 1 month, I find it is, too little a time, too little a duration for me to make any palpable changes or improvement. Therefore, unlike the previous 2 cycles, whose duration was 1 month, VARC Booster 3.0 is going to be for 2 months, from September to November. So this is going to be the last enrollment cycle from September 27th, to be precise, to 20th, 19th or 20th of November, tentatively. That is the course duration, 2 months. Approximately 2 months, not exact. Now, what do you get? The total number of VARC sectional mock tests to be delivered is going to be more than 30. Please note, the number can go up, but it will not go down. This is 30 plus. You get to practice, therefore, 120 RCs, more than 500 RC questions, more than 200 VA questions. All this with me in live classes, live analysis format. Please read this carefully. This is the USP of the course. I at least consider this the USP. I don't know whether you will consider it a USP. Live analysis of every mock test the same day. So you get to practice 500 RC questions, 200 VA questions, 120 RCs with me. So that's what it offers in live class. Live classes will be conducted 4 days a week, at least. It can go up to 5 or 6 days a week, but 4 is the minimum number. Again, minimum commitment. Now that amounts to more than 50 classroom hours with me. Recordings of all the sessions will be made available for you to revisit them, analyze your mistakes, or for those who might not be able to attend the live classes at the timings fixed. For the same, you will also get to practice previous year questions, CAT and OMET questions. All the tests will be delivered in CAT 2021 structure, expected structure. Which means 18 questions RC, 8 questions of VA. That is at least what we expect until the mock test goes live on the official website. All the tests will be delivered through simulated CAT interface for realistic practice. You also get 24/7 doubt resolution through a private Telegram group. We have a private group of learners in which learners freely post their queries, doubts. We have an ecosystem where we discuss anything and everything related to CAT, mostly VRC section. You also get my personalized guidance. I think any learners enrolled with me can vouch for this fact that I keep assessing your performance. I keep through the admin portal, I keep visiting your profile and see where you're going wrong. I also set individual targets for you every week. So if you are already enrolled, you know this. If you are not, let me just tell you this. So in personalized guidance, this is what the entire offering entails. Is the test interface CAT-like? So here's a screenshot for you to see. This is the actual interface. Screen is divided into 3 sections, just like in CAT. One section RC, the other section, second section question, third section question palette. So yes, the test interface is CAT-like. What is the schedule of classes and tests? As mentioned earlier, tests and classes will be conducted 4 times a week: Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Please note that Saturdays and Sundays are being kept free for you to write full-length tests, assuming that you are all, most of the learners are already writing some full-length tests. So this is VARC Booster. This has a particular, a specific purpose, specific aim. So we practice sectional mocks 4 times a week, and then Saturday, Sunday, you can write your full-length test. That's the plan. Mock test will go live latest by 4 p.m. on the respective days. Live class will be conducted from 9 to at least 10:30 p.m. Let me not say 10:30 strictly, because in the earlier cycles, I promised that the classes will be conducted between 9 and 10, but the classes usually go on till 10:30. So here I'm saying 9 till 10:30, but I am sure the classes will go on till 11 because we have to now discuss the entire section of 26 questions, 18 RC questions. In the previous iteration, in the previous cycles of ERC booster, they took me around 1.5 hours. So I'm guessing discussing the entire VRC section is going to take me 2 hours, but okay, this is the minimum duration of each class, 1.5 hours. All right. Please note, a particular test, let's say KitKat X, goes live on a particular Monday, let's say 27 September. It will stay live for a week, that is till Sunday of this week. So the idea here is those of you who are working, those of you who are who have planned their week in a different manner, maybe because everybody has a study plan right now in place, and I do not want to disrupt your study plans, and therefore those of you who have different study plans can manage accordingly. You have an entire week to plan your takes of these tests. So this is the plan. Please note, if you're not available for live classes at these times, 9 to 10:30 p.m., it does not suit you, does not suit your study schedule, whatever, that should not be an impediment, because recordings will be uploaded for all the live sessions. Recordings will be uploaded usually within 12 hours. Please note, usually on some days it takes 18 hours too, but not more than that. But usually it gets uploaded within 12 hours of the live session. So you can keep pace with the course. If you can't attend the live class, it's okay. You can watch the video later and keep pace with the course. When does the course commence? This is the course schedule. The test series and classes, of course, begin on 27th of September, that is Monday. And the course ends on 19th of November with the last KitKat. This is a tentative timeline. It could change by 2-3 days, plus or minus, give or take. So this is the tentative timeline. Okay. Now this is important. Before you choose to enroll for this course, please listen to this information carefully. The target learner, the learner that I am targeting, the learner for whom this course is ideal. Number one, those who are looking for high quality, moderate plus level VARC tests. These tests are not going to be easy, so please don't expect the level to be 2017 level, let's say. To give you an idea, to give you an approximation, the tests are, most of the tests are going to correspond to 2018-2019 CAT level. (2020) was VRC section, particularly in 2020, was more difficult than that in 2018-19. So only some of the tests will be of that level. 2017 was too easy. So most of the standard level, according to me, is 2018, 2019 level. So this is, I am going to put in 13, 14 years of experience into making these tests so that they give you a realistic, picture of where you stand and a realistic picture of what you can expect. Therefore, okay, those who are looking for high quality, moderate plus level VRC tests, they can enroll. Those who are doing well in other two sections, DILR and Quant, but they are stuck in VRC, they can enroll. Those who have developed, now this is probably the this category constitutes majority of my students, already enrolled students. So most of my learners have the right skills. They are readers. They can read a passage, understand the passage. They have good command of the English language. They have developed right, set of skills, analytical skills, critical reading skills, critical reasoning skills. If I give them an assignment, if I give them, a set of 18 RC questions or 26 VRC questions in the PDF format, they're able to score somewhere between 35, 40, 30 to 40. The moment they write a test, even if the same PDF is, made into a test, they lose their nerves. So they have developed the right skills in the VRC section for the VRC section, but not the right exam temperament or not the right exam focus. So mostly this course is going to be beneficial for this particular type of learner. It is also going to be beneficial for those who have hit a ceiling in VRC percentile. Maybe they are scoring in the 85th percentile or 90th percentile and they need a little push. This is going to benefit you. Okay. Those who want to gain momentum or keep it going in the VRC section, they may enroll. Those who understand that going out of momentum in the VRC section at this point in time, at this stage in their preparation cycle can be injurious, they can enroll. Those who are looking to try different exam taking approaches to see what fits them best. So there is question first approach, there is passage first approach, there is VA first approach, there is RC first approach. If you want to try all the different exam taking approaches under my guidance, under my tutelage, under expert guidance, then you can enroll for this course. Those who want a regular, now this is important, and I consider this the USP of the course. Those who want regular and accurate analysis of their cognitive processes while solving the VRC section, how they think, how they reason. If they want disciplined, consistent, regular, daily, accurate analysis of their cognitive processes while solving the VRC process, they should, I think, definitely benefit from this course, as the past experience of the learner suggests. They can vouch for it. Okay. And then a complementary benefit. Those who want to read interesting passages every day from a variety of genres, thereby exposing themselves to different fields and laying some groundwork for GDPI or what stage of selection. Some groundwork. I'm not saying I'm offering any GDPI or what preparation in this course. No, please listen to this carefully. I'm not saying that. I am just saying, reading from a variety of genres, topics, subjects will help you lay some groundwork for GDPI. What we usually have 5-10 minute discussion on interesting topics, interesting subjects that you encounter in these mock tests. Okay. Important point to be noted: for the first 15 tests out of 30, PDF will also be uploaded alongside. For those who are still in the skill development phase of their preparation, after the 15th test, 16th test onwards, no PDFs will be uploaded. only the exam will go live, because at least for 1 month you should practice, you should build the right exam temperament. So we are going to work solely on exam temperament in the last month. For the first 15 tests, that is for 1 month, I'm also going to upload PDF versions of the same test for those who are still working on their skills, who are not scoring really well in the VRC section, because the first stage is always skill development. So for them, I'm going to post the PDF versions. Okay. I think all this information should help you take an informed decision. If you belong to one of these categories, you can definitely enroll for this course. Pricing. The total fee for this course has been kept at INR 2,999, all inclusive. If you enroll on or before 21st of September midnight, there's a flat 30% off. So the effective price for you, effective course fee for you is 2,099, all inclusive again. Please note, this is one-time payment, unlike monthly charges, which were charged for the previous cycles of CAT VRC Booster, VRC Booster 1 and VRC Booster 2.0. So this is a one-time payment, because for September to November till CAT, this is valid. Please also note, there are no installment plans. So please do not ask for any installment. The fee is nominal. The price, the amount is already too low. So I'm not going to offer any installment plans here. Also note that enrollments will stay open till 26th of September midnight. But you will have to pay 2,999 only till 21st September. For early enrollments, the effective price is 20,999. So please keep this thing in mind. Enrollments will stay open, will remain open till 26th September midnight, but not at the discounted price. Okay, I guess that should be it. How do I enroll? This part is still left. There are 3 steps that you'll have to follow. Step 1, make the transaction to the GPay or Paytm number mentioned in the description below. This is step 1. After you have made the transaction, after you pay the fee, fill the enrollment form, link to which is already mentioned in the description again. Do not forget to mention your transaction ID in the enrollment form for us to check, for us to verify. Step 3, please sign up on the website, the portal, the test portal, using the same email ID as you mentioned in the enrollment form, and that you are going to use for writing the test. So the email ID should be the same all throughout. So sign up on the website. The website, the link to the website is again mentioned in the description of this video. So that's it. Thank you. Last word. Please direct all your queries, if you have any, only over Telegram. There is the Telegram group CAT, public group CAT Prep, the Verbal Mentor. You can post your queries there, so that the already enrolled learners can help answer your queries, or I can answer them. Do not use the GPay or Paytm number to post any queries over or direct any queries over WhatsApp. Do not use the number to call. I may not respond. To streamline, please do not ill conceive or misconceive this as rudeness, because to streamline the process, I have to keep the medium constant, or I have to keep one medium as the only medium. So please direct all your queries over Telegram. All right, that should be it. All the best for your preparation. Hope to see you in the classes. Thank you. Bye-bye.